I'm finna teach y'all how to hit a lick in Python. Yes, bro, a lick. Alright, twin, we're trying to get as much bread as possible, but we can't hit two houses next to each other or alarm gonna go off and they gonna call 12. Each number in this list represents a house and how much bread they got. Boom, before we slide, we're gonna scope the scene and get the length of the list to see how much houses we can hit. And if the length of the list is only 1, that means that there's only one house to hit, so we're gonna return that value. Now let's create a table or a list full of zeros, and the number of houses is how much zeros we're gonna have, and we're gonna end up storing our best licks in here. Finna slide. So we got table 0 is equal to num 0. So in that table we created earlier, the first number in that table is now going to be equal to the first house or the first number in the list. If we go down, and all this line is doing is comparing the first house and the second house and see which one's the better lick. Pay attention, I ain't finna get locked up. So we got a for loop, and we're gonna go from the third house all the way to the last house. We start at the third house because in the base case, you already hit the first two. We're going to keep filling up the table with the for loop, and we're going to use the max to decide if we should skip a house or we should rob a house. So I minus 1 means that we're going to skip the current house, and the nums plus table I minus 2 means that we're going to rob the current house. Then we're just going to return the end of the table, and that's going to give us our max lick right there. They got hit for 12 bands.